Reincarnate as a fish or a bird?
Yeah, I don't want to say bird because that just sounds crazy, but bird.
Fish are like the birds of the sea.
What is a
Nah,
fish? What is it?
nah,
What is a
nah.
fish? What does a fish sound like?
Hey yo, hey yo, hey yo.
I thought you were just gonna go glug glug glug.
What does a bird sound like? That's a weak ass bird. Give me an eagle. We've looked this up too, so
Shit, we have looked this up.
They make a different noise.
Do they make a different noise? You want me to do it? Or you want my phone to do it?
Oh shit!
Hey Siri, what does a bald eagle sound like?
Yeah,
No, it's that first.
that sounds like a fucking monkey.
No, that's not it.
It says bald eagle.
It's the
Hey Siri,
like that.
what does
one,
an eagle sound like?
You know it's him.
Same one.
Oh, okay.
that. You hear that?
Hey Siri, what does a seagull sound like?
All right, enough with the Siri. Come on.